Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable multi-snap on Snapchat. If you are using Snapchat and you want to enable multi-snap, so let's see how can you easily do that. So you have to simply open the Snapchat app, and here very first I recommend you to update your Snapchat app to avoid issues. You have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and you have to search for Snapchat. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find pending updates, try to update your Snapchat. Then go back, open your Snapchat app here, and here you just have to tap on this arrow option, and you will get an option of multi snaps. You just have to select any filter if you want to select, then select this multi snap option. And once you have selected, now you can take multiple snaps at a time. Or here, the limit of snaps is up to 10 snaps. So you can see that multi-snap is full multi-snap can capture up to 10 snaps at a time. Select OK from here. And you can see I have taken multiple snaps. If you want to delete anyone, so you can tap on this cross option to delete any single snap from here. Or after disabling this, here you can see this the only single snap can be taken. Or if you have enabled multiple snap, so you can take multiple snaps at a time. So in this way you can easily take multiple snaps, or you can easily enable multi-snap on your Snapchat, on your iPhone or any Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.